Inside this box is one of my favorite solutions for a phone holder little cubby, as well as an awesome little tray for things like a Kleenex box. A company called Klutchtech sent me a previous version of this about a year ago, and today we're taking a look at their newest model with one big addition. So first, let's take a look at what comes inside of the box. First off, we have this nice rubber insert that's going to go into the tray. We'll take a look at that in a minute. You get a MagSafe sticker, plus a couple little magnets to use, and we'll talk about what those are for eventually here as well. So first to come out is the top of the set, and this is going to be the tray that goes on the back of your center screen on your Model 3 or Model Y. You get a sexy Kleenex box, and the last piece is the tray that's going to go on the very bottom of your screen. And this is what's new. This is the newer part that wasn't on the previous model. So here's the two pieces, and here's how it works. When you install this thing inside of your Model 3 or Model Y, there's just two magnets. You can see the magnets right there. You got a little magnet peg there, and you got one here on the bottom. You're just going to take these on the back. This is the back side, and this is the bottom of your screen, and then they click together, and that is stuck. I mean, that is a very strong magnet. You're going to put all kinds of stuff in here. You're never going to worry about this piece detaching like that while you're driving down the road. So now we can install this inside of my Model 3 because I have a pivot screen, as well as my Model Y has a pivot screen in it. So we need to go to a car that is stock, just standard Model 3 or Model Y screen, right from the factory that hasn't been modified yet. And so to do this, we're gonna head over to my parents' Model 3 and install this and see just how much we actually like this.
All right, so as expected, it went together as advertised. Just snapped two pieces together and it was done. Obviously you can see there's really not a lot to it. And thank goodness, because with all the installs I've been doing lately, it's nice to have one that's easy. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I'm kinda jealous. I really love my pivot screens and I couldn't imagine not having them in my car. However, these are really cool because I charge my cell phone all the time with a wire, and it would be really nice to be able to plug my phone in and just stick it in that little slot under the screen rather than have it sitting in my cup holder. How many of you guys charge your phone from a wire or actually use the wireless charging pad? For those of us who have wallet cases and all that, you really can't use the charging pad. So how do I actually like this thing? Well, it's actually really low profile. I was very surprised at how you really can't even see the tray behind it, and the one underneath the screen is small and it's really not intrusive. You can easily get your phone in there, a little notepad, or whatever else you store inside a little cubby hole. And to be honest, it's something I've really missed inside my car. I was a little concerned about opening up the lid to the wireless charging, but that opens up mostly well. It does touch it, just barely, but you can easily get your phone inside of there, so it's really not an issue. This guy sells for $55.99 on Amazon, and I'll put the link down below in case you're interested in this. Let me know what you guys think of this one. See you on the next one.